Welcome to Mac and PC Prime video. Today I am showing how to fix encountering errors related to MSVCP140.dll and VCRuntime140.dll. Usually indicates that certain Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable files required by a program are missing or corrupted. These errors commonly occur when trying to launch applications, Adobe, or games on Windows. Here's how you might see these errors. Download. Visit the official Microsoft Download Center to download the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable package. You can find it by searching for Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable on your preferred search engine. Make sure to download the appropriate version, x86 or x64, depending on your system architecture. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, look at the downloaded file and double-click on it to run the installer. You may need to confirm administrative privileges to proceed with the installation. Accept license agreement. The installer may display a license agreement. Read through it, and if you agree, check the box to accept the terms and conditions, then click on the Install or Next button to proceed. Installation. The installer will now extract and install the necessary files. This process may take a few moments to complete. Once the installation is finished, you may see a confirmation message indicating that the installation was successful. Restart. Some installations may require you to restart your computer to complete the process. If prompted, save any unsaved work and restart your computer. Verification. After restarting, you can verify that the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable package was installed correctly by checking the list of installed programs in the control panel. You should see an entry for Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable in the list of installed programs. Video helps you. Please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see future video like this, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this come out. And lastly, if you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, leave a comment down below and all added to my list of video to create. Alright, well that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you next time. Bye.